Hey, what is up guys? Jack and Matt here with the Toasty Bros, and today we're going to be bringing you the $500 entry-level streaming PC.
This video is brought to you by Privacy.com, who provides a free service to help protect you against credit card fraud. If you sign up today using the link down below, Privacy is going to give you $5. Yes, a free $5 just for signing up for a free service. What are you waiting for? Privacy.com/ToastyBros. Now let's get into today's video.
So if you guys are followers of our channel, you know that we've been doing plenty of streaming PC setups and everything. Well, this video right here is just going to explain the ideal and really the cheapest entry-level streaming system, and it's going to be the best at doing it in 2019.
Now, some of the parts that we have right here, we have used before in other builds, and we've actually done this build specifically not too long ago, but the main reason we're redoing this build is because we went through and got rid of all the unnecessary things and made a PC that shows some really good price performance, which you guys have been asking for in some of our recent videos. So why don't we go ahead and talk about each individual part and exactly how it makes up this $500 streaming PC.
So the processor is the tested and tried Ryzen 5 2600. This is a 6-core, 12-threaded processor, and this thing's a monster, honestly, for the price. You can get it for around $100 at times. It comes with the cooler and everything you need, even thermal paste. So yeah, really good processor, and it has all the cores we need for streaming. For the motherboard, we have the ASRock B450M Pro 4. This is a B450 board. It actually has the Ryzen 3000 sticker. So if you did want to go with something like a 3600 or 3400G, this motherboard is ready for it. It is ready to take that processor. So, good motherboard. We decided, since this is a streaming PC and gaming and whatever else, we needed a lot of RAM at a nice speed because Ryzen loves that crap. So Corsair memory, 3000 megahertz, 16 gigs, 2 8gig6, so dual channel. It's the Vengeance LPX. There's not really much more to say about it, but it's affordable and it's probably some of the best RAM you can get.
Now for the graphics card, we went with the RX 580. Believe it or not, someone on my stream today told me that we don't use the RX 580 enough. Fun fact. And we bought this thing on eBay for a cool $100. You can get these from the 4 gig version to the 8 gig version for around the same price. Anywhere between $100 to about $120 is a decent price for this card. Now, if you did want to use something else, we do recommend something like the 1060 because that will give you the NVENC encoder if that's important to you. But we're going to be relying primarily on the cores of the 2600 for this streaming setup because that is honestly the best solution for a really good quality live stream at this budget. But this thing is more than enough power for 1080p games, and you will see that when we do the live streaming test. Now for storage, we have a Mushkin Source 500GB SSD. Now, we actually got this specific SSD because we use this SSD for our benchmark drive and it's been doing really good. And 500 gigs of storage is a perfect amount of storage to get Windows installed, a couple games installed, OBS, and all things you need to get a stream up and running. As always, you can add a hard drive or a bigger SSD if you want to, but for the $500 budget, this is a great SSD for the money. Now, this is a power supply we were going to use in another build, but realized it wasn't going to work. So we actually are going to finally use the Game Max power supply, which is a power supply on Amazon that actually is relatively cheap, and that is something to be said because power supplies right now are kind of expensive, tariffs and such, you know. But this thing actually comes with an RGB fan, it has some really nice cables, and it's actually modular. So check the link in the description down below. If this thing doesn't blow up and actually powers the system, it could be a good go-to option in the middle of this power supply price crisis we're kind of dealing with. Now for the case, we have the AeroCool Cylon Mini, which is basically a more condensed version of the AeroCool Cylon. This thing doesn't have the greatest airflow in the world, but the system right here that we have is not going to be producing a crap ton of heat by any means. And what we're going to do is go ahead and put this thing together, load up some games, and then do a live streaming test to show you exactly how live streams look on this $500 PC. So let's do it.
So hi, we are testing a $500 PC. So let me know what you all think of this stream quality. And this is going to go on YouTube at some point, so a little bit, but I guess this is where we're at. That's true. I hear somebody's fat feet. Got a fishing pole. What that mean? I don't know. Hey, look at me. Oh, this looks so weird. I don't know how I feel about it. Like you have the new UI. Oh god, I don't have anything. Ah! Eat grenades! Why won't it click? Is there like a cooldown? Oh, is there a cooldown? Like what's going on? Laser, dude. Am I playing against bots? Is that what this is?
This is really bad.
This is really bad. I don't know what's going on. For those who can't really see, because I think MSI Afterburner is not picking up, it is running right now at like 60 FPS. Like, I can probably turn this on so you can see in the top right corner. Here's some feet. These Who am I playing against right now? These are not real players. There's no way. I know. I feel like a Fortnite god right now. Okay. Let's see what the maximum potential is here. Oh, what are these keybinds? I did not make these keybinds. Okay, let's try our pro settings at 1080p. There we go. See what we're working with here. Oh, that could be one reason. Let's try full windowed.
Oh, your frame rate limit's at 60 also.
Whoa, dude. We got so many things we can do. Let's do 120. That seems fair. Ooh, that feels buttery smooth now.
Mechanical keyboard, like literally right after we finished the video, we realized it was no longer available on Amazon. You can go look at the price of it, it was that cheap, but sadly I think it disappeared. That's where the item section carries.
Yeah, that's interesting. Ah, I tried, dude. I tried. First game, yeah, I got 5 kills. I don't know who I was playing against when we first started, but I wouldn't recommend it. I would not recommend it.
Well, no, that was the thing. Like, someone commented on the picture that I uploaded when I did a picture of my like setup, and they were like, you know, there's no room for your mouse, and I was like, well, lucky for me, I don't have to move my mouse much. And they were like, that's bad. That's not good. And I was like, shut up, you don't know what you're talking about. Oh yeah, it's a single streaming PC setup, so there's no. Did you like that, dude?
What the hell?
Yeah, so there's no need for the second computer, because this computer is handling it like a champ. I just got that again, dude. I'm working on becoming the flickeroony god.
Yeah, does it sound glorious or horrible? Or both at the exact same time? Just waiting to walk in on somebody in here. It's like under $20 like 99% of the time. It's pretty great. Oh, watch this. Hey, boy, you thought you could do that? Nothing that I could use. Oh, here comes somebody. See if I can get him. Ah! No ammo! He got out. Oh, no, he just...
Oh, I got a headshot by an M24. Good gameplay footage right there.
I heard he wouldn't peek. Do I have grenades? Another one? Oh, yes. Oh, I'm blind. Alright, guys, this is getting spooky real quick. Yeah, that's right. What do I do? Remove glue needle. Oh, what? Hold. Hold. Holding. Holding. Holding! Oh.
Holding.
How many times do I need to do it?
Hold F.
I am.
4 last operator standing.
I
We are. Are you hitting the F key? We are hitting the F key.
Hostile activity. Neutralize the threat.
The guy just keeps saying hold F.
What's my health? I'm just gonna
Securing the
gonna
control.
run this
F
shit.
for fuck's sake. 1v1.
10 seconds left.
It won't. Oh.
Hostile activity. Securing the container.
Guy is like having a
Been eliminated.
hold F.
Dude, I tried so many times.
Like this.
Wait.
I don't know what happened.
This kid's actually stupid. So as you guys could see from this really epic live stream, this computer performs pretty darn well, and for $500, you really can't beat it for both gaming and streaming.
So this is a PC that I recommend a lot of people do, and if you're getting a link to this video, it's probably because you asked me this question on stream. But the Ryzen 5 2600 and the RX 580 is a great entry-level gaming and streaming PC build, and we highly suggest if you are getting the 580, if you want it to keep within the $500 price range, buy it used. Trust me, eBay is a safe place to buy graphics cards. You get a buyer protection policy if you do get a dead card, and honestly, you save a lot of money, sometimes like $60 or $70 on a used RX 580. So we highly suggest using the links down below when you do purchase the stuff for this build, because one, it helps us out, and two, they are the best prices that you can get for this $500 build.
We tend to be a bit risky when shopping online, from buying sketchy listings on eBay to buying PC hardware that makes 0 sense off AliExpress. We like to shop on the edge of safety, so to speak. But today's video sponsor, Privacy, removes that risk when shopping online, and here's how it works. Privacy is a free and easy to use service that hides your card number behind a virtual credit card that is locked to whatever merchant you are shopping from. And even if someone tries to use the card elsewhere, you will be notified immediately of any activity. Cards are super simple to set up. All you need to do is create an account, add a funding source like a bank account or debit card, add a limit to your card, and you are ready to start shopping online using Privacy. There's also a really cool browser extension that makes it easy to autofill your generated cards into the merchant of your choice. Privacy uses military-grade encryption and even offers two-factor authentication to add even more security to your information. And since Privacy makes its money from the merchants they partner with, there is literally zero cost to you. So I don't get why you're not using Privacy yet. Check the link down below. If you sign up today, you will get a free $5 on top of using a free service that's actually really awesome. It's a no-brainer. Privacy.com/ToastyBros, or use the link in the description down below. And thanks again to Privacy for sponsoring today's video.
So we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you guys can see more videos like this and more videos that are nothing like this. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Goodbye. If you haven't entered our giveaway, link down below. Goodbye.